UMPS CARE was founded in 2006 through the compassion of Major League Baseball umpires who wanted to use their unique platform to give back and make a difference in the cities in which they work. We are here for our Blue for Kids program, and we visit 15 to 17 different children's hospitals through in Major League Baseball markets, some minor league markets.
We do Build-A-Bear workshops, and so the kids get to come in, pick an animal, pick an outfit. This little guy has the Orioles outfit on, and it puts a smile on their face.
We do events like these to help normalize the hospital environment, and our hope is that when kids leave, instead of thinking of the needles and the pokes and the really hard things they just had to do, they think of, oh, I got to see the Major League Baseball umpires and the Oriole Bird, and I got to make my own Build-A-Bear, and then next time they come to the hospital, that's what they think of.
UMPS CARE not only does hospital visits, but we also do some scholarship programs for late adoption kids. We do ballpark visits where we bring late adoption kids onto the field, give them a baseball experience that they might not otherwise have had. So we do good work. As far as an umpire goes, we get booed at an awful lot, but this puts us in a good light, our profession.
This is all brought to us by UMPS CARE Charity. They do this yearly, and we are so thankful that they have this nonprofit that they're able to bring this really special event to our kids.